Hello. Nicholas. What's your name?
Ramon.
This is such a beautiful place you got here.
It's a hidden gem in Kingston.
What was it like growing up here as a kid?
Went to river, catch crayfish.
The crayfish are in the river?
A lot of crayfish in the river.
Started this all by yourself?
Right. That's a natural spring water to cook and all of that. Call this the fridge right here.
I thought you were making like a coconut dam. But those are drinkable.
Put them in the river to keep them cool.
You built all this by hand?
Right. It's my little sanctuary.
What were you doing for work before you did this?
Well, I used to do furniture work.
This is all manual stonework. You can show us the kitchen?
Yeah, man.
Okay, you're cooking up food over there. Ooh, looking good. You're not playing around out here.
And some peas.
Yeah.
And some stew.
That's so beautiful. Look, they built like a little vacation cabana. Oh, flip-flop. That happens a lot?
Rain.
You saw that like a ninja.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pumpkin, coconut milk, carrots, and some pimento.
You guys, doesn't matter what temperature, you'll eat a hot soup. That's how hot it is. Cold feet, hot mouth. Really good, I like that.
You have fried fish, canned saltfish, steamed cabbage, fried plantain, and this is fried breadfruit.
One question.
This is avocado.
Was this cooked with love or no?
Walipa love.
Okay, amazing. Not only do you have a beautiful view, but the food is actually mad good. So Jamie has to try.
Dog, I hope die for this.
It's literally like freezer water. That shit mad refreshing.
Get your electrolytes in.
I'll stay alive for this. Cracker. Coconut open. This place is actually rainforest paradise. This is literally his backyard. He said, I'm going to turn this into a restaurant. Avocado trees, ackee tree, mango tree. This is crazy. This is Jamaica.